Welcome people, bots and algos of the interwebs. This is the Monday's edition of the Analyst. Today we're doing the HackRank SQL Basic Select Challenges. The one we are doing is the Japanese city's attributes. The problem statement is as follows. Query all attributes of every Japanese city in the table. The country code for Japan is JPN. The city table is described as follows. This is the city table. It's got a fields and a type, data type, in fact. Country code is Vacha 2. Okay, so for me, problem solving starts at the very beginning. It is important to understand the problem you are solving for, and if there is not a problem what are you solving for? So our problem today is as follows. Query all attributes of every Japanese city in the table. The country code for Japan is JPN. So let's solve this problem with pseudocode. Pseudocode is the building blocks of your query. Problem reads query all. So we're going to do a select all from city where country code equals Japan, which is JPN. Let's convert this to proper TSQL. We select from city where the code equals JPN. Let's run the code. Congratulations, you have passed the sample test case. And our query is correct. So, yes, this is an absolutely easy example. But it is also how you problem solve that matters. Because when your queries get really complicated, it helps to have a framework of problem solving.